Are you still using Aliexpress for your dropshipping business? It's 2024 and you are leaving money on the table. There are better options out there, and I'm about to show you the top 4 Aliexpress alternative that will boost your profit, slash your shipping time, and keep your customer coming back for more. If you watch this video all the way through, I guarantee you will find your dream dropshipping supplier. Each supplier gets better and better as we go. So don't skip a thing. Trust me, you don't want to miss the key feature that will help you to make the right choice for your business. The first alternative on my list is CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is a versatile platform with a huge range of products across different categories. If you ever struggle to find the right item, you can still source from AliExpress through CJ Dropshipping, making it a flexible option. Plus, it integrates with any e-commerce store, which is super convenient. One standout feature is its mobile app, allowing you to easily manage your store on the go. A big win for busy dropshippers. But let's talk about the downside. The standard shipping time is pretty slow, around 25 to 30 days, though it's usually cheaper. While some product can be delivered in just 5 to 10 days, this is inconsistent, which make it tough to choose the reliable product for your dropshipping business. CJ Dropshipping also has some premium features like private labeling, custom packaging, and printing, but these do come with an extra price tag. And while it's packed with a feature, beginner might find the interface a bit tricky to navigate. So it's a powerful tool, but with a few trade-offs to keep in mind. My second alternative to AliExpress is the SourcinBox. It offers wide variety of products across different categories, so you'll have a plenty of options to keep your customer happy. Plus, the competitive price help you to maximize your profit margin. Always a good thing. SourcinBox integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, ShopPlaza, and more, which make it super convenient to use. One of the best part, the interface is really user-friendly, so even if you are new to dropshipping, you'll have no trouble to navigate and finding a product. However, it's not without its drawback. One major issue is longer shipping time, which can frustrate customer and impact your repeated purchase. Another downside is the inconsistent product quality. There's been quite a bit of negative feedback from the customer about receiving the poor quality products. So while SourcinBox has some great features, make sure to weigh the pros and cons before dive in. My third alternative to AliExpress is the Spocket. This is well known for offering carefully selected, high-quality dropshipping supplier in US and EU. Spocket mainly works with carefully chosen, high-quality supplier. This helps build a customer trust by providing a reliable product. You can even order the product sample directly from the dashboard with just few clicks. Spocket integrates with all your favorite e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and so on. It offers a wide variety of premium and simple product across different categories. You can even source the product directly from AliExpress with Spocket. Spocket also offers the white label products, but unfortunately it comes with the cosmetic and beauty products only. However, Spocket comes with some drawback as well. It has fewer suppliers, especially when it comes to global fulfillment option. This might limit the variety of products you can offer since their focus is mostly on US and EU suppliers. While Spocket offers fast shipping for some products with higher shipping cost, most products takes 15 to 30 days to ship to the United States, Canada, UK, and Australia, with the shipping cost up to $26. Spocket focus on high quality supplier usually lead to higher product cost, which can lower your profit margin. This makes it harder to stay profitable in the business, and it's where many beginner dropshippers struggle and eventually give up. Now it's time to reveal my final and best AliExpress alternative, Zendrop. Zendrop provides top-level dropshipping service that covers everything you need to run a profitable dropshipping business. Whether it's shipping time, product quality, or customer support, they can offer more than you can imagine. Zendrop controls its supply chain in China with 300 plus employees working directly with manufacturer. Unlike competitors like CJ Dropshipping, SourcinBox, and Spocket, Zendrop manages the fulfillment, allowing them to offer the faster quotes, better product sourcing, and more competitive prices. The product catalog has thousands of products to choose from, making it great for beginners to start selling viral products. The trending product section updates every week, which is very helpful. They also offer hundreds of US-based products with 2 to 5 days shipping time. If you can't find the product in the product catalog, the product sourcing expert team will find the product for you at the best price available in the market and add it to the Zendrop's product catalog for you to start selling right away. Zendrop is the only US-based company with operation in China. This allows them to offer 24 24/7 live chat support, responding to requests in under a minute. And they provide a simple and convenient return and refund policy. If a Zendrop user need to refund a customer for any reason, Zendrop will refund them as well, no question asked. And this is very beneficial for dropshipping merchants. This trustworthy return and refund policy is not available on Aliexpress, CJ Dropshipping, SourcinBox, and Spocket. Additionally, they offer automatic and daily fulfillment feature. In the order section, top up your credit balance and they will handle all the fulfillment themselves. Just sit back, relax, and just let your dropshipping business run on autopilot. Zendrop has a branding feature that allows seller to include custom branded thank you card with each order, regardless of how large their business is. Another best thing about Zendrop is once user reaches the 10 order per day, Zendrop will provide custom codes and assign a dedicated quoting agent and account manager. Zendrop Select program allow for custom branding and packaging without a subscription fees so that they can turn into a true brand. Zendrop offer live weekly coaching call for 1 hour covering topic like ads, scaling store, and store audits. These sessions, part of Zendrop Academy, are recorded and available for later viewing. You won't find these incredible features with other dropshipping supplier. To get started with Zendrop, just click the first link in the video description, which will take you to their website. On this page, you have to type your email and your card detail and click on Start Free Trial button and grab your Zendrop's Plus account. The best part is, if you use my link, you will get $200 in order credit, priceless e-commerce courses that will make you an expert in your e-commerce business. Additionally, after your trial ends, you will get 50% off for 3 months, which is amazing. Additionally, you will get automatic fulfillment feature, live weekly coaching calls, and more. If you don't use my link and go directly to Zendrop website, here you have to pay $79 per month after your trial ends, as you can see. So don't miss this opportunity, grab your Zendrop Plus account. That's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more dropshipping videos. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.